What's going on, everybody? We're gonna put the turbo build or whatever on the back burner for now. Obviously it's kind of finished, but I've still got my I got my exhaust to finish. We're gonna run the exhaust when it gets a little bit warmer outside. And I haven't made a video for a little bit. I haven't touched the car. It's been getting really cold right now. It's kind of it's like 23 degrees. Figured I'd do a little walk around in the car and then give you guys a pure sound of the rb26. A lot of people like to see that. I haven't seen many of those. Most of the time I've been seeing stock RB cars and GTRs and whatnot. But I've got dash 10 Teflon lines from pump to rail. I got a 255 in tank, a surge tank, A1000 fuel pump. Obviously it's rated for like everything. My cage is not bolted in, it's actually welded. It's ready for me to go do drag racing things, you know, like I normally do. My hood actually fits, so I put that on. I'm not really gonna do anything else. Thought I was gonna have to cut the bracket and stuff so the turbo would fit, but I guess I don't have to. We're gonna go drive this thing. I got my gimbals. I'm gonna have the gimbal set up and actually have it hanging in the seat there, so that way you guys can do a ride along. But I haven't showed you guys any of this stuff, so figured I'd show that to you. Holy fuck, that's loud. I need my big injectors and I need to tune it some more. So my camera died while I was trying to film that. You're probably gonna see a quick cut off there. So I'm actually in my house now. Not really much else I can do at the moment, so I do hope you guys enjoy. It's pure as it gets. I don't have a muffler or anything on it, and the turbo flutter as well. So if you guys like this, hit the like button, comment, subscribe if you're new. Can you say hi?
Hi. Comment.
And subscribe.
Subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in the next one.